Good afternoon or evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Elting here with you, trying to help you out on your homework. I've got a question that's similar to number 9, perhaps, if you count it out on the homework. This one, a lot of people had some questions on, or excuse me, this would be number 3 on the homework, but a lot of people are kind of confused. What happens when you have your variable being subtracted rather than the other way around? The trick is we always follow inverse PEMDAS or SADMEP. I'm just going to write the first part of that, the SADM. And just following this, you see we have subtraction right here. We also have multiplication right there, though. So although you might consider adding 4 or trying to get rid of this term or even getting rid of the 20, because this is division or multiplication, we know that this term right here, this 4x, that's going to be the second thing we do. So the question is, what do I do first? And the answer to that question is one of two things. You could choose to add to get rid of this minus, but that means you're adding 4x. I'm going to assume most of you don't want to do that. Instead, consider canceling out the 20. Now the 20 is positive. It is not negative because there is a plus sign there. We don't usually write plus 20 because it's a positive number, but it is positive. So if I subtract 20 and do it to the other side as well, I'm well on my way to solving this problem. Now the trick is when you do this, obviously I get -8 on this side, you need to bring down the minus sign. The minus sign has not been used yet, so we preserve it with our 4. We have a new equation, -4x equals -8. Now we can divide by -4 because we're multiplying here. Remember, the inverse of multiplication is division. -8 divided by -4 should give us, in this case, a +2. Hopefully that helps you out on how to do those ones. Again, think SADMEP. We don't want to cancel out the multiplication first. Instead, cancel out that other term. You're just used to seeing this the other way around, -4x plus 20. If it had been written like this, you would have known to subtract 20 first and then divide by -4. Just understand that the order it's written in is unimportant. It's the order of the operations that you're going to have to follow and pay attention. If you have any additional questions on this, feel free to shoot me an email and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks, guys.